Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the most epic product battles. Today, we're putting two popular drones head-to-head, the DEERC D70 and the ATTOP W10. So buckle up, because it's about to get airborne. Let's start with the price. The DEERC D70 comes in at $79. Not too shabby for a drone that promises to be your aerial buddy. On the other hand, we have the ATTOP W10, which is slightly cheaper at $69. Saving $10 could mean more snacks for your drone flying adventures. Both drones claim to be beginner-friendly, but let's dig deeper. The DEERC D70 boasts features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It's almost like a self-driving car, making it extremely easy to use. Reviewers love these features for beginners. The ATTOP W10, on the other hand, supports toss to launch. You can literally toss it like a frisbee, and it'll start flying. Reviewers appreciate this unique feature for its fun factor. Now, on to those all-important aerial shots. Both drones come equipped with a 1080p camera. The DEERC D70 offers Wi-Fi real-time transmission, making it easy to share your epic selfies. However, reviewers note that the camera quality is not the best, but acceptable for the price. The ATTOP W10 also sports a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees wide view, allowing you to capture more in a single shot. Reviewers have praised the camera's performance, especially for a drone in this price range. Ready to have some fun? The DEERC D70 offers features like throw-to-go, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. It's basically the drone equivalent of a party trickster. Reviewers find these features to be entertaining and great for kids. The ATTOP W10 isn't far behind with its 360 degrees free flip, headless mode, trajectory fly, and 3-gear speeds. Reviewers highlight its versatility and fun factor, making it a blast to fly. Now, safety first. The DEERC D70 offers a worry-free experience with 7*24H full-time after-sales service and a 1-year replacement for free. It's like having a drone bodyguard. Reviewers appreciate the excellent customer service. The ATTOP W10 comes with 4 propeller guards and high-quality ABS material blades. Plus, the remote will make noise when the drone is about to run out of power. Reviewers find these safety features reassuring, especially for kids. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers of the DEERC D70 appreciate its ease of use, fun features, and customer service. But note, the camera quality could be better. On the other hand, reviewers of the ATTOP W10 praise its fun and versatile features, but some have experienced issues with control and battery life. So there you have it, folks. The DEERC D70 and the ATTOP W10, two drones that'll make you the envy of your neighborhood. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, both of these bad boys have something to offer. But the ultimate decision is up to you. Drop your favorite in the comments below and let us know which drone wins your heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown on Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. See ya! Product links are in the description.